Good morning, everyone. Before we get started with our new unit, we are going to complete a Jamboard about how you see or use math in everyday life. Write a response to let your classmates know if you agree or disagree with this prompt, and give an example to support your opinion. I see math everywhere around me. Then listen to the read aloud math curse and either amend your post or respond to two classmates' posts using this book as a reference. Once you have finished this, come back to this video to start our next unit. Hi everyone, I don't know about you, but I really enjoyed that read aloud math curse. I remember when I was in 5th grade, people would always tell me, oh, you're going to need to know how to do math because you'll use it for the rest of your life. And I remember looking at people and going, yeah, right, I'm never going to use this. Why do I even have to learn about it? And I guess that's why I love math curse so much. The kid opened even my eyes to seeing how much we really do see math in everyday life. And I wanted us to read that to keep our minds open as we get ready to embark on a new unit. Today is the start of our new unit, Powers of 10. We are going to learn about base numbers and exponents, which tell us how many times a number is supposed to be multiplied by another number. For example, in 3 times 10 to the second, 10 is our base number, and 2 is our exponent, and it's telling us how many times we're supposed to multiply 3 times 10. Another way to write this would be 3 times 10 times 10. And we can see here that, let me turn on my laser, that 10 is the base number and 2 is the exponent. It's telling us we're supposed to use 10 2 times, and we did that in our think bubble over here. We have 10 written twice. So let's try another example. In 2 times 10 to the third, which of these numbers is the base number? Which number would be the exponent? Well, let's take a look. We know our base number is 10 and our exponent is 3. So if we're going to write this another way, how many times do they want us to multiply 2 times 10? And we see, according to our exponent, they want us to multiply it 3 times. So let's do that now. 2 times 10 times 10 times 10. And I want you guys to get a really, really good idea of how this works. So you guys are actually going to go on to Khan Academy in just a second to do it. But one thing I want us to look at first is, what do you notice about the pattern of zeros in these numbers and the exponent? We're going to study this essential question in more detail throughout our unit and also through your lesson on Khan Academy. This will help us meet today's learning objective. I can explain how powers of 10 are like repeated multiplication, and I can correctly identify the base number and exponents in equations. This directly aligns to our state's math standard. Explain patterns in the number of zeros of the product when multiplying a number by powers of 10, and explain patterns in the placement of the decimal point when a decimal is multiplied or divided by a power of 10. Use whole number exponents to denote powers of 10. So we have a lot to study this unit, and I think that you are going to learn so much and have a great time doing so. Good luck.